Hey guys, so here is the video of the second fan in the house. This is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze. It's either classic or classic style. You guys will have to let me know. This one is installed in the bedroom I'm staying in. Yeah. I'll go ahead and give you a top shot. There's the date code. I think that says August of 2016. The one in the master is from September of 2016. So only a month apart. As you just saw, actually I'll get to that in a second. Reversal, the blades are reversible from white to bleached oak. As you can see, the pull chain is ripped out. Is this fan stuck on a speed? No, actually. My Nintendo Switch right there. All the bedrooms are like this. I mentioned that in my Christmas Day special. All the bedrooms are like this. The fans have no pull chains, and they're all run off these 4-speed Minka Air wall controls. And then the dimmer is just for the can lights, the recessed lights. So I'll go ahead and start it on speed 4. The lights flicker when you change the control of the fan, maybe, which is, if I had to guess, slow, low, regular low, medium, high, or it's like medium, low, low, medium, high, or something. I don't know. This is 1 out of 3 for these fans, because there's two more of these downstairs in the downstairs bedrooms. This is the second. I guess this is, these will be my first fan demonstration videos on my new phone. I thought about doing remake videos for the Harbor Breeze, the Northumberland, and the San Marino at home with this phone, but I thought, nah, I just posted the 2022 remake a little while ago. So, why do I need to do it now? Some genius put an HVAC vent right next to the fan box. Unless there was just a light design to go here. But no, that wouldn't be, I don't know. Do speed 3. Yeah, I don't know, the LED recessed lights always flicker when you change the control. There's probably something to do with the capacitors, maybe. Capacitor values in the control. Here it is on speed 3. Or speed 3, I'm right. I think that's a tiny bit of bearing noise. Well, it's blowing some air. do speed 2 now. That's weird, the lights didn't flicker that time. A little bit of motor noise. It's moving in some good air. We're not even on high speed yet, or high speed according to the control. There we go. Oh, hi. For being a pretty modern Harbor Breeze Lowe's fan, these are actually whipping out some good air. I'll go away from the vent because I think the air is running right now. I guess that helps because the air comes. Oh yeah, it's pointed towards there. It comes directly down. We'll get a down shot, under angle shot, an up shot, or above shot. Just spin down here. I've had this thing running ever since on speed 4, ever since we got here. And sometimes if you look at the fan while it's spinning, these vents, it starts like making these, your brain, it tricks your eyes and these like vents start moving. It's really weird. There's the Harbor Breeze logo up there. I never showed that. I guess maybe because this is a rental house, they didn't want to deal with the pull chains, so they just took out the pull chains and run them out the control, because I think the control is easier to use or something. I don't know why they're Minka Air control. Maybe they're old Minka Air fans here before it was replaced with these things. That would make sense. Yeah, this one's pretty clean too. I guess since this is a rental, people do clean it. All right, that's it for the video for this one. On to fan number 3. See, the lights flicker that time. Bye.